My corn patch is really taking off, and that is amazing. I've got about 40 plants. This is my first corn tassel. That's the male part of the plant that produces the pollen. And these corn plants are well over 6 feet right now. When you look at the corn, it's over 7 feet tall already, and that's great. There's the corn silks, and up on top you have the tassels all the way up there, and that's the pollen that should fall down, or maybe some bees will bring it down, and it will fertilize the silk, and then we will get some corn. This is Joe from Cosmic Gardens Farmstead. As you can see, my corn, which is about 10 to 14 feet high, was knocked over last night. We had a vicious thunderstorm with lots of wind and thunder and lightning, and I came out this morning and here it was, leaning over. I'm going to try to put them back and see if any of them broke, and I'll have to secure it so that we can have it. Well, I tried to put it back up together, but I didn't have enough poles. I did put some poles in there to try to hold them up, but we'll see what happens. There's my corn patch. Definitely over 15 feet high. It's got corn on it. Let's get a little closer and see what happens. Okay. So the corn stalks have some corn. You can see the silk there changing colors. And let's see if we can find a nice big one. So that's a pretty big corn. You can see the silks are dark. It's supposed to indicate one of the ways it's ready. There's a piece of corn that's not ready. You can see the silk. It's still light. There's another view of the corn plants. They're pretty big, man. That is so great.